Northeast Ohio. You know the story of how Northeast Factory Direct came to be. Their owner, Alex Nemitz, joining us once again. All right, you started in a small garage, now you're in warehouses. You save thousands. How do you do it?
Well, real simple. We don't have a fancy place. We don't have the high rent retail like you'd find in the fancy areas. We buy everything by the truckload, and we just pass it along to the customers.
All right, this time of year, it's colder outside. We're spending more time at home. What do you have for inside the home?
Well, of course, people are redoing their kitchens, so we can absolutely help you with that. We have loaded up with living room furniture, sectionals, leather theater seating. We probably have 150 recliners here right now as well. So dining room sets, bedroom sets, mattresses.
And that's why you have to come to Northeast Factory Direct, east side, west side. Go to northeastfactorydirect.com. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you, Michael.